out of which hardly 10% are the organized one, and the remaining 91, or I can say the service provider in terms of 80% of the service providers are unorganized. And this is the big number of players who are always running and crying about the operational efficiency. My role is for more of plan and design, so I'll just talk about more about the design in terms of the sustainability. I'll come back to the point wherein we do remember when I started my career, the per bed cost goes somewhere around 45 to 50 lakh rupees, and now everybody is talking about a sustainable or a affordable healthcare infrastructure. Automatically, if the capital cost is less, my service cost to the patient is less. I do remember recently there is a group called as Global Group who started with a fundamental 100 bed with 8 crore rupees. It means 8 lakh rupees per bed is the cost of the infrastructure. Fine, we had built a good affordable infrastructure, but if I had built that castle and the operating cost of that castle is too high, as sir rightly said, 28 rupees, I would love to put a point. When it comes to healthcare, the electricity cost, there are 3 slabs. One is for agriculture, second is for SME, and third one is for mall and entertainment. Unfortunately, for healthcare, we comes on the third level, which is the highest one. So, if my cost of operating that facility is high, automatically I am going to die from the day one. It is like as good as taking a sample from a small person. Every day you come and take a small sample, you just prick and go again and again, or you come and cut once and do it. For me, operation sustainability in terms of going green is the easiest way to start with. When it comes to the capital cost of the infrastructure, it will cost hardly 3% of the whole infrastructure. We have the part for the design in Kohinoor Hospital, which was the first lead architecture building in the country, or I can say in the Asia, and we was zapped out to understand why it worked out. Majority of the time, it is a public facility which has to be utilized by the patients and the patient relatives. That controlling these people is the difficult task. So we try to understand how and when we can control and where the efficiency comes in. Starting from the lobby, majority of the time what happened is there are 3 places where the electricity or the light has to be turned on 24/7. Those are your corridors, lobby, and the ICUs. I do remember when I just entered into a big hospital, and in the lobby itself that shut down the lights. When I asked the reception guy, hey, why you turned off? You know, the legacy of the building, or the moment you enter, it looks like it's a big castle. Then I asked him why it is so. Sir, we are on the operational efficiency project now. I said, okay, fine, fair enough. So, wouldn't you plan this thing while planning? He said, no, sir. Then we realized, okay, there are a couple of things which might be a capital cost to the infrastructure, like on the same thing, if we put up a LED which may charge 1300 rupees per square feet, per unit, but the electricity cost will be the 4 watts, which is as equals to a light which is almost around running the same light for a month. So for me, the operational efficiency is 33% can be reduced easily by the using good resources. Intelligent building or the green building, what we called as, it's not only the electricity, it can be water also, which is a precious resource, even the air circulations. Though we have lots of people from the government side, I can say architecturally these are the best hospitals which are meant, because there are very few where we had seen their centralized AC, but whenever you go inside a government hospital, the ventilations are pretty good, because the height measurements are 14 feet clear height. So those are the things which we have to imbibe. And to be frank, green is nothing. Since our ancient time, we are doing green buildings. To be frank, the oldest fort, which is built in early 16, that was Amer Fort in Jaipur, is a green building. What they have done is, it's everything, they don't have electricity, nothing, but they are built in such a way, it will be run by its own. That is called as an intelligent building. So for me, the operational efficiency comes in if your infrastructure is intelligent. So you have to be intelligent enough to adopt from the day one to get an intelligent building from yourself. Thank you.